This innovative model removes middlemen, streamlining the purchasing process and eliminating haggling or hidden fees. As a result, consumers can anticipate a more straightforward and customer-centric experience. Moreover, empowering consumers to tailor their vehicles to precise specifications stands out as a significant benefit. This freedom grants buyers full control over their purchases, free from dealership pressure. In addition to customization, there's substantial potential for cost savings, as manufacturers look to pass those savings directly to customers. This shift could ultimately lead to more affordable prices and a more approachable car buying experience. Understanding consumer behavior through data analytics is revolutionizing vehicle design. Insights into customer preferences and purchasing journeys are profoundly influencing the features of future products. This transformation towards a direct consumer model is significantly motivated by the considerable cost savings it can deliver. In contrast, traditional dealership models often incur excessive costs that directly affect vehicle pricing. Furthermore, the success of vehicle sales increasingly hinges on customer satisfaction and positive word of mouth. Satisfied customers naturally emerge as the most effective advocates for a brand, thereby reducing reliance on advertising. The momentum for direct-to-consumer strategies has notably increased, particularly in the wake of the pandemic, which reshaped consumer shopping behaviors across various sectors. In this context, the Smart Path program, introduced in April 2022, strives to facilitate a smooth shift from online car shopping to traditional purchasing methods, empowering consumers to shop conveniently from home. However, despite the advantages presented by Smart Path, dealerships are grappling with challenges in adopting this model due to concerns over profit margins and resistance to change, factors that could jeopardize their future viability. Moreover, the legal challenges faced by manufacturers underscore the tension between established dealership practices and the pressing need for innovation in sales approaches. This conflict can hinder overall industry advancement. Lastly, the inconsistency in adopting the Smart Path initiative among dealerships has repercussions for customer experiences, leading to variations in service quality that may confuse buyers. In light of these developments, both Ford and Toyota must draw lessons from the Smart Path experience to formulate strategies that embrace digital transformation while simultaneously addressing the concerns of traditional dealerships.